All right, people, let's put together this scarecrow. Let's do it. All right, so let's look at the box here. This is what it looks like. The graphics are pretty cool on this, from Home Accent Holidays. When I first saw this in the store, I was like, wow, this is cool. So on the inside, looks like the inside of a box. Let's now attempt to pull it out. I will cut out all the parts where I really majorly struggled, which was for a long time. So this is fast forwarded quite a bit. He's packed really well. Once I took him out, I was really surprised at how small this prop actually is and how simple it is. So here's the chest plate, the rib cage. There were 1 bazillion of these twist ties that I had to take off to get him out. Once he's out, he's free, but he's kind of tied into a ball. Once you pull him out, you gotta kind of like untangle him. So here he is untangled. It is a super simple prop. Once I got to this point, I was like, man, this is gonna be a really easy assemble. So here's the base, here's the poles, the speaker, the instructions, everything you need. And I mean, it is super simple. You just put the pole in the base. It's labeled A, B, C, something, E, D, F, G. I look a little confused here, but just get the other one on. There's really only 2 poles. You really can't mess this up. And then you put the last one on, and then literally the scarecrow goes on top. So I'm showing you the mechanism on the inside that goes on the very top. And once you get this on there, I mean, literally this dude is built. It took like no time at all. These are the arms. You actually slide them in from the wrist area, from the left arm and the right arm. Once you do that, you make him look beautiful. You adjust all his creepy cloth, and then the last thing you do is install this chest piece. It's pretty easy. It's got a piece of Velcro. And here is our completed scarecrow. I mean, he's beautiful. So now let's take a look at his motion sensor. It's got one right up front. You see the green LED eyes. And then he goes to town. He has a sound adjustment. Currently here, his sound is adjusted down. Don't want to wake the neighbors all day long. And then you could adjust it up, and he has some really cool phrases.
Let the harvest begin! Twice under the harvest moon. Don't be surprised when I reach out for you.
I get a lot of questions a lot of time about, do I leave my animatronics outside if it's raining? I usually do. And so for simple ones like this, so my scarecrow that I just got this year for Home Depot, it's a real simple mechanism. It's just this one little box here. It's got one connector here. So what I'll do is I'll just get a plastic bag. I'll pop this off here, put the plastic bag over it, clip this back on, and then that mechanism is protected from the rain. And he should be able to be good to be out even in a rainstorm.